Here I have ALCATEL OneTouch Pop S3, and let me show you how to check your IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to have quick access to your IMEI number, let's tap up the phone icon, let's enter this code *#06#, and the IMEI number and SVN number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this. So now if you would like to have access to this information by using settings, let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings here, scroll down, and at the bottom of the list let's choose about phone. Afterwards let's choose status, the third option, and here you can read the serial number right here, and also the IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address, and IMEI number. What's more, you can also have access to IMEI by using the back cover. Let's open the back cover. Excellent. When you open the back cover, you will have access to your battery. So let me do it. This is the battery. Let's remove the battery, and under the battery you've got the information about your IMEI number, and you can also use the barcodes to this number. That's it. Now let's close the back cover on the battery. Let's press power key to switch on the device. And that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.